Sunday, the 21st of May, and we are on the FTSE 100. So let's have a quick recap of this market from last week in relation to the Sunday analysis video, and then we'll have a look at the market for the trading week ahead. Okay, so coming into last week, we had Monday right here. What we're looking at were the all-time highs. If we started to break above these levels, we were expecting the FTSE to come up into the 7,500 level up here. Which is exactly what happened. Monday, we broke above. Tuesday, we rallied up strongly into the 7,500 levels. You can see we came all the way up into around about 7,530. Now, after we rejected on the Tuesday, that was the market giving us clues as to the resistance area up at these levels. And after that, the advice to subscribers was to sell into the market. We had a very, very strong move down. On the Thursday also, we came down very strongly. And we found support. Let's just mark this in. At a key level of support and resistance. Let's just point to this right here, and right here. You can see the market testing, breaking above, testing at these levels, coming back up and testing again. And really what you're looking at is a shoulder, a head, a shoulder, and then a strong move down. So head and shoulders pattern. So coming into next week now, what are we looking at? Well, first thing is, I've been on holiday last week, so I get back to the charts on Tuesday of this week. And main things I am watching are, well, first of all, when we came down here into the 7,390 levels. So this level of support and resistance that we identified right here. We found support and the market has pressed up higher. On Friday, we had pretty much a nothing day. You can see the market has pressed up, but it hasn't really gone anywhere at all. We have this whole level of resistance now up above where we can watch. The market is currently giving us bullish signs. Because this is the all-time highs, as I mentioned last time, we were coming up into these levels. When it's the all-time highs, really, I am still happy to look for potential sell positions. When a market is at the highest price ever traded, all you have to go by are the last time the market visited the area. We can see the sellers did step in. If we start to break above, pull back, it's also that potential level of support. Now down below we have, just going to mark these in quickly, then I'll go through them with you, really down a little bit. And then we're down into this whole section down here, which is really marked up as such. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the main levels I am going to be watching. You can see as the market comes up, creates that head on the head and shoulders pattern. And then what you can see is the market has broken up. It's came down. Let me get rid of that arrow. It's the close price has came onto these levels. The market here opens, breaks down, closes back up above the level. It's a good area of support and resistance to watch, as is the one down below at the two shoulders. And then down into these levels also. Good support and resistance. So really I'm happy to look at the markets in both ways coming into next week. So if we start to see strong rejections once again up here, so if we see the market continuing to press up, but we start to see those rejections from this level, then really I would start to turn more bearish. If we start to fail at these all-time highs now, it's giving you the suggestion that potentially buyers are not looking to bring this market or push this market higher. We are already at those all-time highs. Continual rejections would be the sign to start turning bearish. And I would start looking at, or preferring to look at, these areas as resistance, breaking through support, coming back up to test as those key levels. But at present, the market is still bullish. It can be difficult when a market is at all-time highs to continue buying, but you just have to let price action dictate. As long as this market is still looking bullish, I am more than happy to keep buying into the market. One of the main downfalls of traders that I see is that they start getting into the head that a market can't go any higher or can't go any lower. It doesn't need to be at all-time highs. It can just be, let's just find a strong movement. It can just be something like this. The market makes very, very strong moves up like this. You have huge up to here, huge up to here. And people start to get into the head, okay, this market can't go any higher. And they just start selling. They just start selling and selling and selling, and the market just keeps going up and up and up. And they get stopped out over and over and over again. Just let price action tell you what to do. Don't try and put your opinion into the trading. You just want to look at what the market is telling you. At present, it is bullish. The only thing that would start turning it more bearish is if we start seeing multiple rejections now up above, either at this resistance level or if we start to break higher. Okay, guys, so that is everything for this week. I hope you all have a great trading week next week. As always, I hope that was helpful. I'm James Orr, and thank you.